Wagwan, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel for those who are new here. If you've clicked on this video, that means you may have intention of going to Bahia Principe Grand Jamaica. Therefore, you're in the right place. In this video, I will give you my honest review of Bahia Principe Grand. This was a short weekend getaway. And to be honest, going to Bahia, I did not have high expectations based on the reviews that I've seen on the internet and reviews from clients. I don't know about anyone else. The service you get from staff plays a major role with your experience at a hotel. And Bahia, I did get a really good experience with the staff. They were friendly, they were helpful, and I felt at home. Big shout out to guest service, namely Trishana. She did a big one for me with this room. I truly appreciate it. With that said, let's do a room tour.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say.
The amount of clip that you're seeing here, you can tell that I love what they did with their bathroom. It has a small shower and it has the toilet separate. I love that. Most of the hotels are doing that right now, and it have a double sink. Perfect. And I love the lighting on the mirror. Girlies, you know you're going to love that. Of course, they're maintaining the canopy bed. I love that. Of course, this is a mini bar, nicely tucked away. And they have Coke, water. Yeah. This is the premium room category. Bahia Principe Grand will be doing a complete renovation. This is what you should expect for the rooms for the entire hotel. Coming from the previous design, this is definitely a modern upgrade for them. Let's talk about the nyamming. So let's talk about food. So the main buffet is nyam. Nyam means eat, Jamaican patois. This is where we got breakfast and dinner. Of course, we come to an all-inclusive and we want to know if the food is any good. Yes, based on my opinion, the food was okay. Well, really, it's buffet. You're going to get a lot of options, of course, and that's good for a buffet when you can have a lot of options. For lunch, I eat around the Pisces restaurant. That's the restaurant around the beach. Like lunchtime around here, especially you can ask the chef to get you some curry shrimp. They give you this. I can't eat shrimp, but I enjoyed watching my husband eat this plate of shrimp. And for me, it's the fish, the fresh fish that they fry and put out daily. I did enjoy this, not gonna lie. Let's talk about the jerk. And this is what they offer. They offer a lot of stuff here. Not bad. A jerk pork? So this is the jerk pork. And them say jerk pork, jerk chicken. It's never good. Got this? Nah, this is not it. For jerk chicken, all-inclusive hotels in Jamaica so far that I've been to have never gotten it right for me. So if you want authentic jerk chicken, go outside and get you some jerk chicken. If I should rate Bahia food, I rate them a 7 out of 10. Their food options were not bad. Not gonna lie. One thing I can definitely say about this hotel, it is beautiful. The grounds are kept clean. Because the property is so large, even when it's at full capacity, I don't think you'll feel as if it's too crowded. You have some place to be alone. The non-motorized sport like kayaking and those stuff, of course, it's included in your all-inclusive packages. The settings here. Here it is, the water park. Kids are having so much fun. Toddler, so you can bring a little one here. Ooh, that's so fun! Ah! So much fun! Here's the water park. I like their water park. The water park is so nice. The lady did enjoy herself. Guys, when you talk about entertainment, if you want to be entertained, you just have to come out to the parties that the entertainers are having to any resort. So I will leave entertainment open to say, yes, they have good entertainment. It's up to you to participate. If you've made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. God bless you. Bye.